Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to quickly and easily get rid of parasites in Green Hell. So to begin, first of all we'll need to find a mushroom which is going to look like this. Go ahead and search for these dead logs on which the mushroom can grow. It is going to look like this orange kind of cup-shaped mushroom, and just go ahead and take it to your inventory. And now that you've collected your mushrooms, you'll want to have a coconut bowl at your hand and some kind of a canteen, or what they call it here, a bidon. You can have the coconut bidon, but I found on a car wreck this bidon, and now with this just put water into a coconut bowl which is placed near a campfire, and after that just put the mushrooms that you've collected inside of the boiled water, just like this. It is going to take a while to make soup from it, and once it's done, just go ahead and aim at it whilst in your inventory, and you can see it is going to give you -1 parasites. So just go ahead and drink it, and as you can see, it has cured me from parasites. This is pretty much all. How to get rid of parasites in Green Hell. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.